Hello children, hope you all are fine. Let's start our next topic, chapter 5, division, with its introduction part. Division, the way of finding how many times a number is contained in another number. Dividend, the number that is being divided. Divisor, the number that divides another number. Question, the answer found by dividing one number by another number. And this is the symbol of division. For example, here is the question: divide 21 by 3. When we have to divide, we have to write the divisor here and the dividend inside in this shape. Now you will think about the table of 3, like 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21. When you get it, then you will write 7 as a quotient here and 21 here. Now subtract it, you will get 21 minus 21 will be 0. Here 3 is a divisor, 21 is a dividend, 7 is a quotient, and leftover number is called a remainder. Always be remember while doing the division. Here are some points also to remember while doing the division. First is, when a number is divided by 1, we get the same number as the quotient. For example, here they are saying when a number is divided by 1, any number, you can take any number like 6 divided by 1, we get the same number as the quotient. Here will come the quotient. What will be the quotient? The same number, that is 6. Let's take another example. 9 divided by 1, we will get the same number as the quotient, that is 9. Next, when a number is divided by itself, we get 1 as the quotient. When a number is divided by itself, let's take example. When a number is divided by itself, suppose we are taking 6 divided by 6. What will be the quotient? We get 1 as the quotient. Same as it is, if we will take 9 divided by 9, we will get 1 as a quotient. When a number is divided by itself, we get 1 as the quotient. We remember. Next is, when we divide 0 by any number, we get 0 as the quotient. When we divide 0 by any number, so let's take example. 0 divided by 6, we get 0 as the quotient. 0 divided by 9, we get 0 as the quotient. Next is, we cannot divide any number by 0. We cannot divide any number by 0. Move to the next topic, that is dividing 2-digit numbers by 1-digit number. divide 64 by 2. We'll take it as an example. How to divide two digit numbers by one digit number. Here you can see dividend is 64 and divisor is 2. So write it like this. This is at our ones place, this is at our tens place. So let's start from tens place. Divide 6 tens by 2. 6 divided by 2, we get 3. So write here 3 as a quotient and 6 here. 6 minus 6 will get 0. Bring down 4 ones here. Now divide 4 ones by 2. In the table of 2, when 4 will come, when we will multiply 2 multiply 2, then we will get 4. So 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. Here you will write 2 as a quotient and 4 here. 4 minus 4, 0. Thus quotient is equals to 32 and remainder equals to 0. In the same way, we can divide 3 digit numbers by 1 digit number. Let's take another example. The question is divide 986 by 3. Here you can see our dividend is 986 and divisor is 3. Ones, tens, 100. First of all, write it in the same way. One second. Okay, let's start. Ones, tens, 100. Let's start from hundreds place. That is 9. 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. So 3 you will write as a quotient and 9 will come here. 9 minus 9, 0. Bring down 8 from tens place. Now 8 is the dividend. 8 divided by 3. Now you will write the table of 3 here. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. As you can see, 9 is greater than 8. So we take 3 multiply 2 equals to 6. With this, 2 is as a quotient. 2 is the quotient here. And right here 2 as a quotient. 6 will come here. Now subtract 6 from 8. We get 2 as remainder. Bring down 6 from ones place and write it to the right of 2. Now 26 is the new dividend. 26 is the new dividend. So now continue with the table. We will see when 26 will come. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. Now here you can see easily that 27 is greater than 26. So we take 3 8s are 24 and 8 as a quotient here and write here 24. Now subtract it. 6 minus 4, 2. We get 2 as a remainder. Thus Quotient is 328 and remainder equals to 2. With this, our today's topic is covered.